Hello everyone, welcome to IAS Dashana. I hope you all are doing very well. So without wasting any of our time, let's move to the topics of the day. Today's topic is Tirupati's trash turns trendsetter. Under Swachh Bharat Mission Urban 2.0, Tirupati Municipal Corporation has scripted an inspiring story of circular economy through its comprehensive upcycling initiative where waste doesn't end its journey, it begins a new one. Guided by the belief of Swachh Aadat Se Swachh Bharat, the initiative blends Swachhata, compassion and creativity to build a clean and green city. At the heart of this initiative is the concept of upcycling, transforming discarded materials into products of higher value instead of sending them to landfills. To make this vision practical and participatory, Tirupati introduced specially designed upcycling drop boxes seamlessly linked with permanent RRR centers. These drop boxes feature separate chambers for old books, clothes and footwear, ensuring 100% source level segregation. This smart design eliminates secondary sorting, preserves material quality and makes responsible disposal easy for citizens. Strategically installed in RWA's apartment complexes and gated communities, the drop boxes tap into areas with high potential for reusable items, maximizing both quantity and quality of collection. A weekly scheduled collection system with dedicated vehicles ensures smooth transformation and materials to the RRR centers. At the RRR centers, materials are sorted into usable and non-usable categories. Items in good condition find meaningful second lives. Clothes and footwear are distributed to old age homes, orphanages and homeless and economically weaker sections, while books help create libraries in government and municipal schools, nurturing reading habits and learning. Damaged materials are not discarded either. Clothes are handed over by two self-help groups members who, after skill training supported by Ministry of Textiles and Textiles Committee, Mumbai, convert them into eco-friendly products like bags and doormats, creating sustainable livelihoods. Footwear is either locally repaired and distributed or sent to a Bangalore based upcycling unit for recycling. Used clothes are being upcycled through SHGs into value added products including 275 doormats, 1025 foot mats, 2500 cloth bags and 0.5 tons of automobile cleaning cloths. These products have been successfully sold in the open market, supporting livelihoods and promoting sustainable waste management. As a part of Tirupati's circular economy journey, old books are given a second life by strengthening libraries in municipal schools across the city, nurturing a culture of learning among young minds. At the same time, discarded footwear is channeled to authorized footwear factories to reuse, transforming waste into economic value while promoting sustainability and resource efficiency. So this is it for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.